Trade and Investment Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria says he will work around the clock with local and international investors to make Kenya a more attractive investment hub. He added that the plans are underway to establish manufacturing and export hubs in counties to diversify and increase export volumes.
The Trade and Investment Cabinet Secretary is calling on counties to leverage their natural resources to attract and retain local and global investors. Additionally, he is calling for increased value chain addition in the textile subsector, noting that it had the potential to propel Kenya to rival other countries.
We want to open up the African market so that we can have complementarity with our traditional markets in Europe, US, in Asia and other countries.
Kuria affirmed his commitment to ensuring that the unemployed youth get jobs through various investments.
I'll ensure I create 5 million jobs in our textile manufacturing industry, including here in Limuru. And when people get those jobs, they can afford to buy new clothes. And those new clothes, they'll make them themselves. And I want to make every Kenyan, I want to give every Kenyan young woman and man an opportunity to be able to make their own clothes and sell the rest to Julius and the people of the United Kingdom.
Investors are calling on the government to complete the setup of key amenities such as roads, water, sewage and electricity to support investments that would push the Made in Kenya brand both locally and internationally.
Let's push matter of quality in manufacturing so that we can compete locally and internationally.
Dusamokami for Prime Edition.